Imagine earning money while you sleep, but not just a one-time payout, every single day. Curious how that works? Well, that's where DRIP comes in. Stay tuned. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. It's a strategy that allows you to automatically reinvest the dividends you earn from your investments back into more of that same stock. It's like a snowball gaining momentum the longer you let it roll. Instead of cashing out your dividends, you take those earnings and buy more shares, instantly increasing your stake in the company. Over time, this leads to more dividends, which means more shares, more wealth, more power. But here's the magic. It's compounding. You're not just earning dividends, you're reinvesting those dividends into your portfolio, and those new shares start earning their own dividends. This cycle can supercharge your growth without you lifting a finger. Let's break it down further. You own a stock that pays a 5% annual dividend. Instead of pocketing that 5%, you reinvest it into more shares of the same stock. Year after year, your investment grows faster because of the compound effect. Here's a comparison. Without DRIP, your portfolio grows at a steady pace. But with DRIP, you're looking at exponential growth over the long term. It's a game changer. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be actively managing your investments all the time. DRIP works for you, day in and day out, creating that consistent growth you crave. Now, you might be asking, is DRIP right for me? If you're in it for the long haul, the answer is likely yes. DRIP is ideal for investors looking to build wealth steadily, without the need to time the market or make active decisions. Many established companies offer DRIP programs, including blue-chip stocks like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These are businesses with a proven track record of stability and dividend payments. Setting up DRIP is usually simple. Most brokers allow you to enroll in a DRIP program directly from their platform. Just a few clicks, and you're off and running. The key to making DRIP work for you is time. The longer you leave your money to compound, the more powerful the effects. That means the sooner you start, the better. Remember, compounding is your superpower. By reinvesting your dividends, you're not just investing in stocks, you're investing in your future. Want to see how DRIP can work for you? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips for growing your wealth. Start your compounding journey today. Don't just watch your money grow, make it work harder.
your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.